Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
No, it's my channel. You're on LadyCode.
Hey guys, welcome back to her channel.
Perfect.
The other cool gift is this guy swimsuit.
For your boyfriend? And with your horn. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my little unicorn with me. And he's so excited to be here, as you can tell.
Very excited.
So I basically dragged him over because we're gonna do a holiday gift ideas video. And it's like a his and her edition, because I might do like another one which is more of like for the beauty lover, for your BFF, or like fragrances. Like, I don't know. This is just gonna be like a generic, like if your girlfriend is bougie, then maybe you should keep watching if you need ideas. If
you want any ideas on what to gift your boyfriend, your brother, your friend, your dad, and me, these are some ideas. Alright, so you can start and tell us what would you like to be gifted this Christmas. And we're gonna go on different budgets, so don't get scared, because, you know, obviously we all have different budgets, you know, there's different people who want to gift, so there's different price points.
Okay, so I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you guys like things that I've been loving that I would love to get more of, kind of...
More?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, you already have too many.
It's just like stuff that I love, and I think that these are going to be great gift ideas. So I think on the low end range, I think the first thing that I'm going to start with is a pair of Lisa lashes. These are from the LadyCode shop, and any glam girl is going to be so happy to get these. They range from $8 to $16, and I have sales all the time, so check it out, ladycodeshop.com.
I think we can start with like this really cool wireless chargers that I've seen. They're like $20, so that way you can just put it right next to your nightstand and your phone charges. The other thing that I really like and I use a lot, for example, are like those like portable battery chargers. Link in the description below. And the cool thing about this one is that they charge your phone really fast. You know, you can have
Is it like the brick that you have?
Yeah, so it's like, I love this brand, and it has like 2 outlets, and you can just plug it. It's very small. It's a little bit heavier, but it actually charges your phones really fast.
I guess dudes like that kind of thing. Back to the girly stuff. Actually, Franz loves this too.
I do.
He uses all of these. You owe me a couple packets of these. I go through, like, we go through one a week. This is the Skyn ICELAND Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. They're eye patches. I keep them in the refrigerator, and they get rid of your eye bags. Like, you just, like, wake up, stick them on while you drink your coffee, and you look so, like, refreshed.
I love that stuff. So yeah, just get it for your boyfriend again, or just, you know, just get it for me. The other cool gift is this guy swimsuit.
For your boyfriend?
Not for your boyfriend. Just get it for yourself. You know, let's give about like, you know, who you should gift. Just gift to yourself. Give yourself, you know, a nice swimsuit for Christmas. The other cool thing that you can gift, like I said, you know, a guy in general, is like a tablet. Now, obviously, you know, there's different price points for tablets. The tablet that I use, first of all, I really don't like tablets, you know, I just do everything on my phone. But what I've been doing recently, it's like I've used like the Amazon Fire 8, link in the description below. It's super cheap, it's like around $60, $70. And the cool thing is, like, nowadays we fly a lot, and a lot of planes don't have entertainment. I don't know why, but a lot of the airlines have decided to remove that in-flight entertainment. So that way, you know, we have a very cheap and expensive tablet, so we can connect and watch movies, you know. So you don't need like a super expensive iPad. All you need is just literally a big screen, or, you know, a reasonably sized screen, so you can watch, you know, like movies when you're on the go and so on. And like these tablets are $50, $60 on sale, and yeah, you can just like watch movies.
Yeah, I love it, and the quality, the resolution is really...
Yeah, it's like to the point, you know, you don't need a fancy tablet to do that. You know, if all you're gonna do is just, you know, watch Netflix or YouTube, subscribe.
Okay, so this is my next present. These are actually silk scrunchies, and I love them. They're made out of silk, so they don't damage your hair. They don't really slip out. The brand is actually called Slip, but it stays in your hair, and I'm obsessed with these. They're super soft, super comfortable. So yeah, Slip scrunchies.
Oh, hold on. 1 second. The next cool gift, and I think this is like really, really awesome, are the Bose QC35 noise cancelling headphones. They're about $299, and they're amazing. I mean, whether you're just like, you know, working, whether you're on your computer, listening to music, flying, they cancel all the noise, like everything. They're like the best headphones, and the cool thing is, like, we all go through like different headphones all the time. This one's lasts forever. And I like them way better than the Beats and so on. This is like true noise canceling technology, and I like them way better than those Beats. Those Beats might have like great sound, you know, if you're just like really into like strong basses or hip hop and so on. But if you just like really want to isolate all the noise and just like work in peace and just like listen to music, Bose headphones.
I like the little case that they came in. That's so cute.
Yeah,
makes it easy to travel with.
Yeah, it's small.
Anyways, back to the girly stuff. So I adore these Diptyque Paris candles. I hope I'm saying that right, but they're absolutely amazing. They're clean burning. There's no like black smoke. It's all like a soy wax, non-toxic. It's amazing. So I let these burn, and you actually like them too, so.
No, they're really good.
Yeah, but they're pretty expensive, so this is more of a high-end gift for sure.
The next thing that I would like to get gifted, for example, and I think it's amazing, hint, Lisa, buy it for me. So it'll be the new DJI Osmo Pocket. And it's like this really cool like camera that has like a gimbal. It's not out yet. I think it gets released
December
in a couple weeks.
15th. I actually want it too.
Exactly. So it just like seems amazing. I've seen like the previews of the gimbal and how it works, and it's so small, so compact. And if you're recording like we're all the time, it'll be perfect because the way it stabilizes the video. And nowadays like there's really no room to have shaky videos, you know?
Yeah, that's true. And just like, sorry to cut you off. They're probably wondering why you're wearing a unicorn onesie.
Because why not?
I made him do it. I'm like hoarding these onesies, and one time we did a prank where I dared him to go to Walmart wearing this. You were actually wearing this one.
Yeah,
I was wearing that one. I
just came home from somewhere, and Lisa was like, I dare you to wear that at Walmart. I was like, let's put it on, let's go. So that's the photo right there.
So yeah, we did it, and no one cared. Like, no one looked twice. Okay, so this is like my second to most expensive gift, but I adore this thing, you guys. I think I got this during the VIB sale last year, and I was like, I'll give you guys an update on if it's worth it or not. It is absolutely worth it. This is like the best hairdryer on the planet. Whenever we travel and I go to a hotel and I have to use the hotel hairdryer, I just really miss this thing. So I'm telling you, it's worth every penny. It's more on the high end, so definitely put it on your Christmas list. I know it's about $200 to $300, but I love it.
I think a little bit more, maybe like 3, 4.
Yeah. Well, I had the discount, so.
So up next is Is
this the last one?
I don't know. I mean, I really want a lot of gifts. But the other cool thing, obviously, is Dgi Mavic Pro. I mean, that drone is amazing. Now DJI has come up with like a lot of different drones. And I've heard great reviews about the Mavic Air, which is around $499. The one that we use is the DJI Mavic Pro, and we've done amazing footage of obviously beaches. You know, I was in a safari last year. I took amazing footage from there as well. And it's around $899 for the DJI Mavic Pro, but you get some amazing shots. You know, it'll be nice when you go to the beach, when you go to the mountains, when you're with friends, family. You can get some really, really cool video.
Yeah, I know he really loves that thing. It's like definitely a guy thing, because as a girl, I'm like, oh, he has the drone out again, like whatever. So, babe.
Sorry.
So this is the last thing, and this is what I got for Christmas last year from Franz. This is like literally the best present ever. I'm not even kidding. This is the Givenchy Antigona bag. It's the mini size, and I use this every single day. Like, it's amazing. And it's been like exactly a year since I got it, and there's no scratches. There have been scratches on this bag, but there's something about this material. Like when she
threw it at me?
I did get a giant scratch here, and it just like healed itself. Like, it literally buffed out. So this leather has like magic powers.
Totally.
And yeah, totally worth every penny because it still looks like new.
Anyways, those are just some random gift ideas that it'll be good to share. And like I said, you know, those are just some ideas. In the end of the day, Christmas is all about spending time with your friends and your family and everybody that you love. So there's really no need for presents. But if you have to give something to somebody, you already know what to do.
You have a big kiss right there.
Bye.
No! Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. All of Franz's favorites are linked down below. I linked most of my favorites down below. Don't forget that I am doing a ton of giveaways this month, so make sure that you check out my Instagram. Check out the giveaway link down below if you want to win some free makeup. And you know what? If you win the giveaway and you want to give that makeup to your friends and family, go for it. I don't care. It's all for you. It's for everyone. happy holidays, and we'll see you guys in my next video.